For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
A 73-year-old retired bus driver from West London has found himself unexpectedly in the limelight. The skipping Sikh has been awarded the Points of Light honour by Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Rajinder Singh from Harlington in West London began filming exercise videos earlier this year. He has garnered over 250,000 viewers on YouTube, where he posted a series of videos showing people how to skip. All of this while raising money for the National Health Service, encouraging almost £12,000 in donations so far. His fundraising efforts in the last 3 months have helped him become UK's Point of Light awardee. UK's Point of Light Awards is a volunteer recognition program where the PM recognises volunteers every week.
Your skipping Sikh fitness videos have given a lift to the thousands of people worldwide who have watched online and taken part with you in your daily exercise and provided an ingenious way of bringing together and energizing the Sikh community at a time when temples have been closed. I personally thank you for all that you are doing to support our extraordinary NHS and encouraging the nation to pick up their skipping ropes and keep their spirits high by taking on your lockdown skip challenge.
Award given to Rajinder Singh recognizes his fundraising efforts.
Look at Jack, man, that's brilliant improvisation.
Award given appreciating his efforts for spreading the message, health is wealth, and stay active and stay happy.
Oh, this is brilliant.
Singh decided to share videos online of his skipping fitness routines and inspire others to keep active with him. In the last 3 months, Singh has skipped 500 to 1,000 times daily at his Harlington home.
I never thought something like skipping would inspire the world and spread smiles. I'm really grateful for the support and being given this recognition. Thank you to our PM Boris Johnson. God bless you and everyone. I thank everyone for the support and love, and I encourage all to join in the skipping challenge and tag me in @Sikh Skipping.
Rajinder Singh's tutorials have since become a worldwide phenomenon. He has been encouraging people across the globe to join his skip challenge and donate to NHS charities.
Oh, thanks, guys, and well done for being COVID heroes and all the hard work that you've done. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. Just be careful that you don't have an injury.
The idea to start a skipping challenge came as I was spending time in isolation during lockdown in March after the pandemic started. I was very much inspired by Captain Tom Moore, and my daughter Minreet Kaur wanted to set a challenge for me. As I am very fond of skipping, she told me to start this skipping Sikh challenge. I am glad that over the course of last 3 months, I have been able to raise £13,450 for the NHS, and I am overwhelmed by the support.
Singh used to work as a driver at the Heathrow Airport near London.
Guys, coffee fun. So my mum and dad are running.
Singh took part in marathons apart from running in charity events.
Go, 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 go.